Well, what a sight this is. A beautiful evening and the promise of a match that will really get the juices flowing. This place is living up to its reputation as one of the noisiest corners of the footballing world. No decibels spared in this collective chorus. He's going for goal! Mendes gets it clear. Costa Curta kept aware, and it is reclaimed easily. Well, played through for the wide man. Maradona. Now it's Neymar. Oh, well played. Oh no, this does not look good. Ball's gone out of play. And smartly reclaimed. Spread out to the left. So, Jim, who would you identify as the key man in this fixture?
This lad, Ødegaard, is a player with quite a story. He was plucked at a young age from his native Norway, of course. He's done his tours of duty with a view to aid his development, and now he's gone full circle, posting some impressive figures along the way. He's a wonder kid who's really come good.
Yeah, he would be the obvious choice, wouldn't he? He certainly has all the right qualities. And it's Guardiola. Bops him off it and wins back the ball. Beckenbauer. Roberto Carlos kept his eye on it, and he's there. And here's Torres. And he's got the beating of his man. And he has been fouled there. A real opportunity here from a position of great potential. He's shaping up to have a crack from here. Anything, Jim, to pick out of these early exchanges?
Well, neither side has really grabbed the initiative, I would say. Both must have come in with a view of not making any early mistakes. So we're seeing some conservatism here.
De Bruyne. Guardiola. And it's De Bruyne. And here's Maradona. Stood up well to him there. And he's chosen to go back. Messi in acres of space out wide. Vietnam have themselves a corner, I think. Yes, they do. Vietnam with their first corner, the first in the game for either side. Header! Decent enough try.
Yeah, it's good movement though. A bit unlucky he couldn't actually steer it goalwards.
Roberto Carlos gets over and intercepts. And it's Neymar. He's a sharp little ball here. Oh, lovely bit of skill. Beckham. Cafu. What a throw in. He gets big. And again. Went with his head, but couldn't steer it in. Messi. Oh, good-looking ball. Neymar. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. It may be goalless, but it is not without interest.
I actually think both teams are playing okay here. We've had some good attempts, although they've mounted to nothing so far.
Irwin. Maradona. Oh, he's burst through. Had a shot.
Well, I'm not quite sure he needed to hold up play quite as much as he did then. A couple of his teammates were very annoyed.
Guardiola. And here's Torres. Oh, he's enjoyed that. He evidently loves the contest. Now it's Neymar. Neymar! build-up. It all deserved a better ending.
Yeah, the ball in there was simply superb. He won't be too happy that it's gone to waste like that.
And it's Maradona. Maradona. Neymar.
Just as I thought, Peter, it looks like this is a side that's setting themselves up for a counter-attack.
Yeah, stand by for the early ball, the big one over the top.
Yeah, and those that are up top, Peter, have to be willing to chase. And, of course, those in midfield have to be ready now to recycle.
And they have got just the right players for that. It'll be a throw-in. Roberto Carlos. Little pass back.
They're really getting no time to think on the ball here.
And it's De Bruyne. It's anyone's ball now. And back it goes.
Really got in his face there, and it was well played.
That's a good intervention. That was what he had to make in the face of danger that was growing. And here's Torres. There's a beautiful simplicity about this contest. Willing running on one side, dogged defence on the other. Now it's Neymar. Just eases him off the ball. De Bruyne. Maradona. That's been cut out, well played. De Bruyne. Rice. That looks a good ball through. Here's for Neymar! Good run, lovely take, but that is where it stopped. Oh, that is asking for trouble. Fernando Torres. 0-0, but nevertheless a very decent game. And it's De Bruyne. Guardiola. Now Costa Curta. And here's Maradona.
If they want to counter, they could do with more speed.
Oh, no joy this time. Well, a glitch with the rangefinder there, and evident annoyance.
Clearly is miffed, having made the run and not get picked out. Neymar really added the width there thanks to his willingness to make the run.
And he's cleared it out of harm's way. And that's been won straight back. Roberto Carlos. De Bruyne. And here's Maradona.
That's just playing it safe and simple.
Now Costa Curta. De Bruyne. Shifted upfield. And it's Beckham. Foot in. Out of play for a throw.
This is what good chemistry is all about.
And he's straight offside. Irwin. De Bruyne. And it's De Bruyne. Costa Curta. And the whistle goes for half-time. But it has been a half largely of could-haves and should-haves. Perhaps the more impatient amongst the supporters will feel they're overdue a goal, but it's certainly not for the want of trying, so nothing to show as yet. At the break, it's 0-0. And we are up to the break.
What a pleasant surprise to see how open this game is turning into. Just wondering if the two teams are going to keep doing what we've seen in the first half. I hope that a cautious aspect doesn't kick in.
Well, after 45 minutes, it is still goalless. A change, perhaps, after half-time. And hostilities have resumed at the start of the second half.
Well, both sides are eager to get going. Here's hoping that it's a good sign. Things are about to change. We need a little more life in this.
And the keeper's got it again. Beckenbauer. It's Roberto Carlos. Now it's Neymar. And that interception was most necessary.
That was well played, well stopped.
He's in plenty of space here. Well seen, saw that coming.
That's great positioning, so good from him.
Cafu, and he cuts out the supply. It's gone for a throw-in. Irwin, Messi, and he's had it nicked away. Oh, this looks sharp. De Bruyne.
I wouldn't fancy playing up front in these circumstances, to be honest. There's absolutely no supply. Well, it's a move of great promise, but will it really prove productive?
And that has been clubbed away. Well, they can break here. He's found a way through. Mendes just loves to go forward whenever he can. Maradona. He's picked his way through. It's Maradona! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
That's very, very good. You can't ask for much more than that.
Adams. Oh, he's going to be disappointed with that. And it's Messi. Oh, he's found support out wide. Showing good feet. Mendes did just about enough to come out on top there. Neither party overly willing to compromise. Messi. That's really well cleared. And they're back on the ball again. Vietnam are looking to play on the counter here, aren't they?
Well, I think it's pretty clear they've changed their shape, and certainly when defending at least, because they've got to be ready to hit them hard on the counter-attack, and that seems to be the plan.
Well, it didn't look good for a while, but that was brave defending, and they got away with it.
Yeah, they showed a vulnerability until the move was stifled. That'll have stirred a little concern.
Well, that looks a decent ball. There's the hit! Deftly away. And still, we await the first breakthrough. Cafu. Beckham is wide and looking to get onto this. Well, the defence just about came out on top, but they were certainly tested. Neymar is in a really good position out wide. Guardiola. And here's Maradona.
Well, he got rid because he was under pressure.
Messi. Irwin. So, what can they make of this? Belletti. Beckenbauer cuts it out.
Well, he certainly wasn't in the mood to take any risks.
He's looking to set free a runner. Nice control.
That's just playing it safe and simple.
Just about up to 75 minutes. And here's Torres. Pinches it off him. He's had it taken off him. De Bruyne. Beckham. Beckenbauer does really well to win the ball there. Neymar, played back.
He's got no choice here. He had to go backwards.
Cafu.
Well, they deserve an awful lot of credit for their commitment to the cause, but it's a goal credit that would be most welcome now.
Neymar. Now it's Messi. He's shifting through the gears here. Oh, what a ball! Oh, what's he giving here? He's given a penalty. So a big chance now from 12 yards. He'll know exactly where he wants to put it. 1-0, never any doubt. Not much more than a formality.
Well, he dipped into a world of focus then and dismissed any distraction.
Vietnam have broken through. It's 1-0.
Yeah, been awarded the penalty is one thing now, but finding the net under so much pressure at this stage of affairs is another. So a big well done from me, certainly, for him keeping a cool head.
He's in space and looking for options. And the goalkeeper's got a good palm to that. Has a look and has a go. And that would have won it.
Guardiola really thought he'd scored to settle this contest, and he's struggling to believe being denied. Well, he got rid because he was under pressure.
And he's let fly. And no, he couldn't find the finish.
Carlos really did let them off the hook. They could have wrapped it all up.
Vietnam still ahead by the game's only goal. Looking for the runner. Roberto Carlos calmly anticipates. Well, that is not the best ball, and he offers an apologetic look.
Yeah, the idea was right. The delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
And here's Roberto Carlos.
Vietnam probably could have killed things off, but they should be okay here.
Works it forward. Neymar providing an outlet on that flank. Can he get onto this? Neymar gets flagged offside. Beckenbauer. Vietnam close now to seeing this one through to the end. And here's Torres.
Look, movement creates more options, and that was really sharply done.
Guardiola. Beckham.
There will be 1 minute added
Great work on the overlap. And he's managed to get free. Beckenbauer. De Bruyne. Neymar. And the referee brings it to a close. Vietnam have held on. They have doggedly, sometimes frantically, preserved the tightest of leads. Irwin, voted man of the match and